everyone, I just wanted to take a second to talk about a change that I have had to make for this partner email exchange project that we're working on. So first, I did start out with the best intentions with this project. I really wanted you guys to partner up, to really be able to collaborate and see how to take what we've learned all semester with academic writing and apply it to professional writing out in the real world. And I thought this would be more effective if you could work with someone to really discuss how you translate these concepts into email, and then kind of just the idea of actually emailing another person instead of just me. So I did start out with the best intentions with this, but things have gone a bit awry with some of you. Unfortunately, I have left voicemails. I've sent a dozen emails in the last month. I've contacted individual students, and some of you unfortunately just can't seem to get in contact with your peers. We have some peers not responding, and some people are left without partners. Some people have created trios, and it's just gotten a bit more chaotic than what was originally intended with the purposes of the assignment. So the change that I have made is I have created two separate submission points for Partner 1 and Partner 2. So when you click on the major essay assignment and you have your assignment details, down at the bottom, I created separate assignments now for the final submission. So Partner 1, you have a link where you're going to submit your essay to, and only Partner 1 would submit to this link. And then Partner 2, you have a separate link that you'll submit to. If you're Partner 1, you'll only get a score here on the Partner 1 assignment. If you're Partner 2, you'll only get a score on the Partner 2 email. So I created separate links. I did link them in the actual assignment, and then when we go to submit in the final week, down here in week 16, I linked them here, and I also linked them again in your week 16 overview. So that's really the only change that I made, is just enabling it so that way those grades are now separate. It was going to be a combined group grade, but I've now separated them out. So Partner 1, you'll submit your two emails, one for scenario 1 and one for scenario 2, together in a Word document in the Partner 1 email exchange submission link, and then Partner 2, you'll take your two emails and then submit them to the Partner 2 email exchange link. I also think that I need to reward those of you that were checking your email, were staying up with the class, did reach out and contact your peer, and stayed active and did the extra work of working with a peer. And so I've decided to award extra credit for those of you that did follow through with that portion of the assignment and did work with your peer and did the extra work of hosting meetings or hosting phone calls to collaborate. And that's kind of, I think, what I feel is fair and balanced. If you have any concerns or questions on that, feel free to email me. I'm happy to discuss it with you. We can set up a meeting, virtual or whatever works for your schedule as well. So those were the major changes I made. It doesn't impact any of the content. It doesn't impact anything that you're working on. It's just where we're submitting the final copy of these two emails, okay? If you have any questions, as always, reach out. Thank you again for being flexible and understanding and willingness to try new things for me. I hope that you found it engaging. I hope that you're gaining a lot from the experience, and I do appreciate you. So thank you for that.